Here I have OUKITEL WP5, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or any other lock screen method and unfortunately you forget the combination to it and you can't unlock your device. So what you can do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds like this. After you enter this kind of menu, here you have to use volume up key to navigate and volume down to select, and select the first option, recovery mode. Then after this kind of Android robot appears and the no command message after under it, you have to hold down power key and press volume up once. In this menu, here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select fifth option, wipe data factory reset, and then confirm it by selecting factory data reset. After you see the message data wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.